hao, this is Ailey 老师 and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe na para ma-notify ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to learn Chinese alphabet with Pinyin. Let's start from the consonant. P, P, M, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, C, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S. Vowels. A, O, E, I, U, Y. Ngayon naman, ituturo ko sa inyo ang Chinese alphabet song. P, P, M, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, C, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S。这是汉语声母歌，好朋友一起唱歌。A O E I U Y， 这是汉语韵母歌。A O E I U Y， A O E I U Y， 这是汉语韵母歌。好朋友一起唱歌。That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more updates. Bye! 再见!